O is full octopus with Hopi. Hopi is going on a big adventure today. She has her favorite hat and her best exploring shoes. She wants to find things that start with the letter O. Are you ready to help her? Let's go! First, Hopi goes into the kitchen. On the table, she finds something round, bumpy, and very bright. It is a juicy orange. Hopi gives it a big squeeze. O is for orange. Hopi goes outside to the big backyard. She looks up into the tall tree. Who is that hiding in the leaves? It is Otis the owl. Otis blinks his big, round eyes and says, "Woo-woo, O is for owl." Otis the owl is a very good helper. He spreads his soft wings and flies high into the sky. He uses his sharp eyes to look for more O words for Hopi. What will he see from way up there? Down on the ground, Hopi meets a very tall friend with a very long neck. It is Ozzy the ostrich. Ozzy has big, fuzzy feathers and very fast legs. O is for ostrich. Ozzy the ostrich loves to move. He starts to run zoom. He runs across the grass with his long legs pumping up and down. Hopi has to run very fast to keep up with him. Where is Ozzy going? Ozzy leads Hopi all the way to the edge of the land. The ground turns to soft sand, and in front of them is something huge and blue. It is the wide, wavy ocean. O is for ocean. Hopi looks into a tide pool by the rocks. Something purple and wiggly waves a long arm at her. It is Ollie the octopus. He has a big smile and a very round head. O is for octopus. Ollie the octopus is very busy under the water. He has 8 long arms to wiggle. He uses them to tickle the bubbles and dance through the seaweed. Splash, splash, splash. What a grand day! Hopi found an orange, an owl, an ostrich, an ocean, and an octopus. She gives Ollie a high five or a high 8. Hopi is overjoyed. O is for the end. O is full octopus with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.